how to embed a video in Mailchimp email. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a video within a Mailchimp email. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to mailchimp.com, then sign up for an account if you don't have one, and if you do, you are simply going to log in. After you have logged into your account, you will see here the dashboard. Now, simply you are going to create an email template. To create the email template, simply go ahead and click on create. And now we have tons of options. Either emails, automations, website, sign-up forms, and creative assistant. In our case, we are going to use the regular emails. So go ahead and select this case and click on design email. Once you have clicked, it will open up the email editor. And before that, we have here a lot of things to do. Here we have the name. As you can see, you are going to name your email. I'm going to put it test video. Click on save, and here we have the title of the email. Here you have to select the recipients, which are basically the subscribers. Here we have 105 recipients because we have uploaded or made the importation of the contacts within a CSV file. From here we have as you can see, the email address that will receive or make the sending, and it will appear to the customers. And for the subject, you can add a subject. I'm going to put here test video, and this is vital to make the emails. We have the preview text. You can go ahead and copy and paste that one, click on save, and everything is set. Now let's go ahead and click on content and design our email. The previous steps were absolute to make the email works. Now we are going to click on start from scratch, or you can also go ahead and select one of the available templates on the library of Mailchimp. As you can see, we have the email editor. We have the header, which contains the logo basically, and also we have the content. Here we have multiple options. You can go ahead and add the video directly from the content blocks. Right here we have a block called video. Go ahead and drag and drop it, take it right here to the middle, and it is a video block. You can go ahead on the design section, replace that video by uploading an image. For example, here we have some custom files. You can see the videos and you can add them right there. Or you are simply going to click on browse images and it will let you see the images that we have. Until here, it is read as a image for this one because it will be uploading only some thumbnails. For the source, which is the most appealing part and also the functional part of this blog, it has a URL. You are going to need a URL from, for example, YouTube or Vimeo to put it right there so you will read the video. Let's go ahead to YouTube. I'm going to head to my channel, and for that one, simply I am going to copy or share that link for that video from my channel to Mailchimp. Go ahead and click on the source, paste it right there, and you will see the video pop in. If you want to modify the video section or the video block, you can go ahead and put an alternative text, a color background, for example, like that, or simply are going to add some paddings or some effects right there from the bottom, the right and the left padding. Here we have the visibility. You are going to upgrade your plan to add some visibility options to this video. Now, that was the first method to add a video or embed a video within Mailchimp. Now, let's go ahead and make a code to add it to Mailchimp. And to do this, you need to integrate or download an integration to the navigator called TubeBuddy. Go to tubebuddy.com. Simply, you are going to log into an account right there. Click on My Accounts, and then you are simply going to launch or download the extension. Here we have the extension. As you can see, it is downloaded and it is enabled. When you go, for example, on YouTube, right there, you are going to select the video from your channel. Simply go ahead and select that video, and it will be letting you see here. I'm going to see the dashboard. You can go and add this one. To be able to do that, all you have to do is to click on your video in the left side menu right there. It will show the YouTube Creator Studio, and here we have the integration is available. As you can see, when you put the mouse within the video, it will show up the logo of the TubeBuddy. Go ahead and click on this one. And finally, we are going to search within MISC right there. Simply go ahead and click on Advanced Embed. Go ahead and click on it. And here we have the embed that we are going to add to our Mailchimp. But before that, we have some options. We have the embedded video size. You can go ahead and put it right there. You have the play video from. I'm going to put here the playing time from 0 to 1 and 14 seconds. This is the all duration of the video. Here we have the options to add. For example, autoplay video. I'm going to check this box. Loop video, for example. We can go ahead and put the loop video. The auto hide play bar, and more of options. When you finish this, the video will, or the embed code will change. So simply click on copy, and then we are going to add it to the code. Go ahead and grab a code, drag and drop it right there, and here we have the HTML code. Simply delete all of this code that have been set from Mailchimp and paste your code right there. And in few seconds, you are going simply to see that code right there. I'm going to repeat that. Go ahead and put it like that, and it will show up the video in some few seconds. Now the HTML is ready and the visibility is set. This is the next step or the second option. Also, you can go ahead and put some embed codes from, for example, Canva, or you can add a GIF in the place of the video. You can go ahead and create a GIF for that video. For example, you go to canva.com and simply we are going to set that video or that particular video. I'm going to put here a format, custom size. I'm going to put this size. Now we are going to select any video that we have, click on uploads, go to videos, and here we have the videos that we have made like that. I'm going to rotate it like this. This is just an example. So we are going to make it like that. Go ahead and put it right here. When you finish this, you are simply going to click on share and download. Within the download, you are going simply to get it as a GIF. Download the video as a GIF simply, and it will be a video or a GIF image with no sound. The quality may decrease, but the content will be the same. If you don't need some as you can say some audio or some music added to the email, it is vital to choose this method. Our GIF image is ready. Go ahead and add an image block right there. Click on add image and simply click on upload. Now simply we are going to first search for that image that we have downloaded. Let's say that we are going to use this one. Maybe go here and we are going to see all the files. This is it. This is the image and it is a GIF. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.